First, do your part. Second, never harm another glader. Most importantly, never go beyond those walls.
Doors open. The runners look for a way out. And no one has ever survived a night in the maze. What happens to them? We don't belong here. I think it's time we find out what we're really up against.
Everything started changing the moment you showed up.
It's a girl.
Thomas.
Why are we different?
What if we were sent here for a reason?
You're not like the others. You're curious. But if you want to stay here, I need to know that you're gonna follow the rules.